You guys are beating up a guy's car. Come on. Listen, just hear me out. People against Terry Monique Alice, 25F244-6648.
Good morning, Judge D'Amity, on behalf of Miss Alice. State the name of the court. Terry Owens.
Okay. Was there an agreement on restitution in this case? Let me see something. I thought there was. Could be wrong. Contingent on payment of restitution.
Did it say how much?
No. Do I have the victim here on this case? Is Jewel Buchanan here or Denolius Buchanan? Mr. Cayley, can you come up here a second, please? So I don't quite know what to do. Your appearance? So this was the destruction of property. There were a couple ladies there beating up a guy's car.
Right.
And it was contingent upon payment of restitution. We didn't receive anything from them.
There was a co-defendant spoke to the victim, and he indicated that the police report was not accurate and that Ms. Bowles did not strike the vehicle. And therefore, I was dismissing that one. I believe. I don't know which defendant is this. Judge?
This is Alice.
Oh,
Terry.
yes, yes. The victim identified her as one of the individuals or the individual that did the damage to the vehicle.
But not Ms. Pitney
Oh,
Bowles.
what? Well, he said that it was repaired. They paid for the repairs. Yeah, I had a conversation with him later that morning after everybody was gone, and he said I'm not seeking any restitution, that was paid for and all taken care of.
Okay, so he doesn't want to make a statement and he's not,
Correct.
he doesn't need restitution. Okay. And she still, in his view, was involved.
Yes.
This young lady here. She
Yes.
pled guilty. I wouldn't have taken her plea unless she,
Yes, but he did say that he made restitution and fixed his vehicle, so he was fine.
good enough. Have you had a chance to review the report with your client, and are there any material additions, corrections, or deletions?
We have reviewed the report. The only difference, Your Honor, is she is no longer employed at the Michigan Veteran Home in Chester.
Where does she work now?
She's looking for work.
Okay.
And I'm also homeless as well. Yeah. We also have.
Why are you letting that happen to you?
Life is life, Your Honor. It really is. I couldn't survive off of $300.
No, I'm not, listen, I get it. I'm not, I don't know what the answers are. I just see this happening. Go ahead. What else do you?
So she stated she is having trouble with housing right now. She's looking for a job, looking for housing. Also, she lives at, well, her area that she's kind of staying in is Clinton Township. So I would ask if the court would consider, at least until she's able to find a job and a vehicle, if the court would consider her reporting for probation on Zoom.
I don't mind that.
Okay.
You're homeless now? Yes? Yes?
Yes.
Are you living in your car? You have parents in the area?
My mama, I'm sorry, my mama passed away. My dad is trying to get his life together.
Where's your child at?
My daughter is with her grandmother at this moment.
But what I'm asking you, when you are living in your car, what have you, is your child with you?
Oh, she's with her grandmother.
Can't you say maybe like, that's your mother, right?
No, my mother's dead.
I'm sorry, my apologies. It's the father's mother's that the child's living with, right?
Yes. She does not care for me, Your Honor.
Hey there, sorry to interrupt the video, but I wanted to take a moment to let you know that TCF is a channel that is 100% human created and human driven. There's so much AI slop out there on YouTube right now, especially in the LawTube space, that I think it's important to point out that every video that we have here on this channel is human created, human curated. We make all the decisions, we do all the editing, it's all us. So if you appreciate that human touch and that human interaction, please do consider subscribing to the channel if you aren't already. Leave us a comment on the video, put a thumbs up. Those things really help us. And if you want even more human interaction, consider joining us for our live show every weekday morning. Okay, sorry to interrupt. Back to the video.
You guys are beating up a guy's car. Come on. Listen, just hear me out. Why would you let, I mean, I got all kinds of questions in my mind here. Why would you let somebody talk you into doing this? It wasn't your fight to begin with. You weren't the girlfriend, right? The other one was the girlfriend, right? Ex-girlfriend. And then you guys are beating up a guy's car. You're living in your car. You don't have your child with you. You got to figure, I know bad things can happen. We all get punched in the mouth a lot in life. I get it. I've been punched in the mouth. But you gotta figure out what you're gonna do going forward here. I mean, I don't know why. Can I just make a suggestion? You're not responsible right now for your child. You have a car. You're earning $300 per week. How many hours do you work?
Not working anymore.
I'm sorry. You said that. My why don't you go get 2 jobs?
That's why I'm working on yard.
How long since you've been out of work?
They just actually emailed and let me know that I was terminated. That was actually, my last court date, that was 3 days after my last court date. Yeah.
The question is, why haven't you why were you terminated and why have you not gotten another job already?
I'm currently looking for another job, and transportation seems to be my biggest downfall.
I thought you said you were living in your car.
Yes. I'm not driving it, Your Honor.
Do you have,
Is it the bus here?
she doesn't have a valid license?
No.
Okay. Look, what else do you want to tell me?
Judge,
They're recommending IOP on this. Did you see that?
Judge.
She had a .063. But she's just set up to fail here. But some of this, you reported, and I appreciate your honesty, becoming violent after drinking and drinking out of depression. That's not good. I don't know what to do with her. She's got no money. She's got no way to get here and back. She's got no ability to get from her place to test. She's got no ability to get from her place to treatment.
Or to pay for the test.
Well, I know, but at some point, you got to kind of look at yourself and say, why have I let this happen to me?
That's where I'm
Why were you terminated?
terminated, because I couldn't get back off work yet. And like I said, Judge, I would ask if go light on those fines and costs.
I know. I mean, I'll do the best I can for her, but. All right, anything else?
You could order maybe just AA and,
She's not gonna get the AA either.
I'm
How old are you? You're 36?
Yes, Your Honor.
I mean, you graduated high school.
Yes,
It's your life.
yes.
Sometimes we get knocked down. I could tell you a story. We get knocked down. You got to stand up and get toughen up here. Can't be living in a car that you can't drive because you don't have a license, and you can't get a job because you don't have a license to get to and from there. 6 months probation. I'm just going to order this. You're to go to AANA twice a week. You cannot purchase, possess, or consume alcohol or illegal drugs. You cannot leave the state without consent. You cannot violate a law or ordinance. You must appear in court as directed. No alcohol, no illegal drugs, no marijuana. Kratom, poppy seeds, and CBD oils are prohibited. Consuming food or other items containing those substances will be deemed a violation. You're to attend AA twice a week. If probation tells you to, you're to submit to chemical testing, PBTs, and ETGs on demand of probation. Restitution having been paid, to the extent that it hasn't, restitution will be handled through civil litigation. I'm going to order you to do 2 days of community service. I'm going to give you until December 15th to complete that. 16 hours community service. I'll go light on your fines to the extent I can. 120 in probation fees, 50 fines, 50 costs, 75 victims' rights, $50 justice assessment. So your fines and costs here amount to 2.25 plus probation fees of 120 for 345 plus a screening fee of 60, 405. I won't charge any attorney fees. I'll give you a review hearing date. I am taking this under section 771.1. If you're compliant, the case will be dismissed.
Let's see what is.
You got to get your act together.
If they block you out, 'cause that's what you need to be right here.
You got to try harder. You pay $100 a month.
But you
I don't know
can
what else to
hear
tell
I
you.
can hear. I can.
Who is there? Mr. Wells, I asked. $100 a month, beginning on November the 15th. Review hearing date will be on what? 6 months probation.
Let me get you one here, Judge. Over there. That'd be Flat Rock, March 19th.
That's good enough at 8:30 in the morning. Okay, ma'am? Now, all money is due on this by March 15th. Do you understand that? So even though I'm setting up a payment plan of $100 a month starting on the 15th of November, you have to pay all of it by March 15th. You need to go find yourself a job today. I mean, this is, well, you got to try harder. I'm sorry. You have to try harder. I don't know how much they were paying you. It says 300 a week. If you were making 300 a week, you couldn't have been working 40 hours, were you?
No, I was working part-time.
Oh, what if,
Part-time.
you got to get working. I know, I get it, but you got to figure things out. Good luck to you. Go down the hall, get your notice on your review hearing date, and then go talk to probation. Good luck.
Hey, thanks for watching. Please do let us know in the comments what you thought of this video. If you'd like to support what we do here, the best way to do it is to pick up some of our merch. You can find it at courtroomfiles.com.